Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Sealed for Good. I'm your host Shandy, and today we'll be exploring everything around Gripset LS, our external trackable coating. I hope you enjoy. So what is Gripset LS? Gripset LS is a hard-wearing, UV stable, protective coating that can be used in conjunction with Gripset wet area range of liquid applied membranes. For example, Gripset 38FC, P39, and Gripset Multi-Pro. The advantages of using a protective coating over the top of your membrane system is that it then becomes a wear coat. So if you have a situation where you may be expecting some foot traffic, maintenance traffic from someone getting up on a rooftop to fix an air conditioner, or those type of scenarios, then the Gripset LS protects the primary membrane from damage, any abrasive mechanical stresses that you may experience with that type of scenario, and it also helps with maintenance down the track. So the coverage rate is aligned with our standard wet water-based products, which is about 1.5 litres per square metre or 1.5 millimetres over 2 coats. So you can also increase the coverage to create a higher build, which then gives you further durability. So again, if you're familiar with our maintenance guide when it comes to exposed membranes, there is an expectation of maintenance during the life of that membrane. So what it does is it gives you a prolonged performance of your waterproofing system, and again, a product that does tend to lend itself to easy maintenance and increased durability for increased service life. So like all liquid applied products, surface preparation is key. So starting at the primer application, making sure that your surfaces are sound and suitable to take a membrane system. From there, it's all about following the TDS and making sure that we're following the correct process when it comes to the installation. So Gripset LS, as mentioned previously, 2-coat system. We need to make sure that we're using a wet film gauge to ensure that we are reaching the right product application thickness, which, as mentioned before, that's 750 microns per coat, to ensure that you are going to get all the promised performance out of this pail. So application is as per all the other products, brush, medium nap roller, and always ensuring that you are going in opposite directions when you're applying your first to second coat. So cure time, LS, 4 hours ready for recoat, and then it can handle foot traffic after 24 hours. Always remember that environmental conditions are always going to play a part in curing. So we suggest that you check out some of these other videos, waterproofing in summer and waterproofing in winter, and keep an eye and keep track on how the weather's tracking. So I hope this helps give you sort of a bit of guidance as far as what the LS is and what application it's for. Always remember to read the technical data sheet available on our website, and we're always here to help and assist in making sure that the product systems that we put forward are going to perform as expected. So we do have our specification service. Please get in touch with any of our representatives, and we can put together a full spec with everything from the specific primer to the undercoat membrane, and of course that finish coat with the LS. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Hoping to see you next time. Until then, happy waterproofing. James from Anchor Waterproofing, congratulations on being this week's applicator spotlight. Once again, you've absolutely nailed your applications, and we absolutely love you tagging us in all your posts. Awesome work, excellent engagement. Keep it up. Love you, mate.